Hello everyone, welcome back to Jinamon channel. In today's recipe, I'm sharing with you how to make the best ever condensed milk puff puff or BOFROT. This is very easy, extremely easy to make, and it turned out so delicious. I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, I added in flour. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. I then added in dry active yeast, powdered milk, sugar, and stir this together till well combined. So once everything has come together, go ahead and create a well in the middle and add in warm milk. Please make sure your milk is warm, not hot, warm. I then added in the star of this recipe, which is the condensed milk and egg. So to flavor it, I use vanilla extract. You can use pineapple flavor as well. Stir till well combined until it's well mixed. So I added in salt. Sorry, my camera didn't capture it, so please make sure you add in salt. If not, it will be tasteless. Add in salt, stir till well combined, and then cover it with a cling film. Set it aside to double in size. Once it has doubled in size, go ahead and preheat your oil. So as you can tell from the video, it should be like this when it has doubled in size. All you have to do is to scoop it in the oil and fry this bad boys. This recipe is very easy to make. All you have to do is to add in all your ingredients, wait until it doubles in size, and then deep fry it. So just look at it, guys. This is not just beautiful, this is easy, and it's so delicious. Try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Once you've added it to the oil, stay close to it and keep turning it, and don't add in too much, just enough for them to support each other while turning it. And then when you get to this point, it is ready. Remove it from the oil and drain the excess oil on a paper towel. And basically that's it, guys. This is very easy to make, and it was so delicious. Wow, I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at this is amazing. This is not just beautiful. If you're a puff lover just like me, you would definitely love this amazing recipe. Try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Love you all. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.